So you're gonna help me make it fly.
I thought the magical reindeer made the sleigh fly.
And where did the reindeer get their magic from?
Christmas spirit. Everybody knows that.
Well, as silly as it sounds, a lot of people down south don't believe in Santa Claus.
What? Who do they think puts all their toys under the tree?
Well, there's a rumor floating around that the parents do it.
That's ridiculous. I mean, parents couldn't do that all in one night. What about Santa's cookies? I suppose parents eat them too?
Yeah, I know. I know. And every year, less and less people believe in Santa Claus. I mean, we have a real energy crisis on our hands.
Oh.
I mean, just see how low the Clausometer is.
That's shocking.
That's why I came up with this little beauty in the 60s.
What is it?
It's a Kringle 3000, a 500 reindeer power jet turbine engine. Without it, the sleigh couldn't get more than a few feet off the ground.
The star on the back of his sled. Christmas spirit magic. His nose. No, Rudolph's. Don't know.
Ooh. Okay, so I watched a lot of movies about this, so generally I don't know. But I think I've seen a Mickey Mouse movie. I think that there's like a collar around them that has like kind of like pixie dust or something on there. Like, I don't know.
Christmas magic. What I was thinking was, like, reindeers poof out like this magic things and they like eat it and then they turn into a collar and then they're like flying crazy.
All aboard! Well, you coming?
Where?
Why, to the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express.
It takes an airplane first and then you have to take another airplane and then once you get to a boat, you can take a boat and then you have to go to another land and then fly an airplane and then take a boat to get to there. Don't know. Wait, do you have to go to Alaska to do that? You have to go on a sleigh and the first part you have to have reindeers, but I don't know where reindeers are, so. It takes like 3 airplanes almost, and then take 2 boats, and then the second time we're going in the boat, you'll just bump right into there, and then you get on land. Ride the Polar Express? Don't know. Yep, you go to Alaska.